How to sell on Walmart. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with a tutorial. So for this, you have to make sure that you are qualified to sell on Walmart. So before jumping into it, you should know that you have a valid business tax ID or license number, not your SSN, and your documents must be verify your business name and address. You need to have sales experience, and you also have to provide regarding the evidence of your sales experience. Regarding the product that you want to sell on your Walmart, ensure your products have GS1, GTIN or UPC numbers and comply with their prohibited items policy. You can find this policy on Walmart website or the product website. Now the fun part, signing up and setting up. Head over to Walmart Marketplace Seller Sign Up and create your account. This is separate from your regular Walmart account. So in here, you need to verify your business, provide details and complete your seller profile. Ensure your tax information is accurate for a smooth verification process. Step 2. Set up payments. Tell Walmart where to send your well-deserved earnings. Step 3. Configure shipping and returns. Choose your preferred shipping methods, cost, and return options that fit your budget and strategy. And here come some of the bonus points to help you thrive on Walmart Marketplace. Invest time in creating clear, high-quality product listing with competitive prices and accurate description. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and maintain a high satisfaction rate. Consider using Walmart-sponsored search ads to gain product visibility and attract more buyers. And that's it. You are now equipped to start selling on Walmart Marketplace. Remember, it is a competitive landscape, so stay committed, optimize your listing, and provide excellent customer service. Thanks for joining us.